How to turn dial pad tones on or off on your Android. If you don't like hearing a sound every time you dial a number, this setting is really easy to change. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now, scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. Next, scroll all the way down and tap System Sound/Vibration Control. Here you'll see a list of system sound options. Look for Dialing Keypad. Simply tap the toggle next to Dialing Keypad to turn the dial pad tones off. If you ever want the sounds back, just turn the toggle on again. This setting only affects the sound you hear when pressing numbers on the phone app's keypad. It won't change your ringtone or notification sounds. That's it! You've successfully turned dial pad tones on or off on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.